if you want to change language on Realme 14T, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings we're gonna scroll down in order to go to system and update, and after that you should be able to go to language and region. Then over here we have our current language. We can press edit in order to add a new language. So for example I'm gonna choose German, and then we can confirm that we want to set this language as the default system language. So we can press yes or no over here. Over here, while editing, you can also switch the language priority. Whichever language is at the top, then of course it is set as the main one. You need to press and hold your finger on these three lines that we have right next to the name, and then just drag to the top, and then confirm that you wish to switch to the new language. You can of course remove unwanted languages by pressing this minus button. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.